Festival season is almost there. Most of the people are going to start painting their walls and their working space, right? So before you to start your wall paintings, let me tell you one thing. Colors have very important role in our life. Some people do whatever color they like. If you choose the wrong shade, it can affect you negatively and positively both. It can affect your mental health, it can affect your health and wealth both. Whether it's your bedroom, it's your living room or your working space, you just need to choose the right color, the right shade for your each and every corner of your house. So this video I'm going to share all those secrets, how color psychology works. Keep watching this video and I'm very sure that you will love these ideas, these concepts. Click on the subscribe button and share this video to your family and your friends who are thinking to renovate their house. Just keep watching and let's get started. My name is Munjay Sharma and you're watching Spacetier, Taste of Decor. Blue is very soothing color. It will give you soothing reflection. If you use it in your bedroom, it will give you that sound sleep you need. It's very good for your mental health and you can go with it. Definitely you can use it in your bedroom and very positive color, so definitely you can go with it. Try to avoid too much of blue because it will make you feel like isolation. It's a very overcoming. It can cause of depression, laziness. You may feel like less motivated. So try to avoid these things. With yellow, which I really like.
So yellow should not be used in bedrooms where the simulation may make sleeping difficult. You can use yellow but with white, or you can use cream. It's very positive color in interior design. Also, it makes the room innocent and glowing. But always remember, too much of yellow may cause excessive mental stimulation, feeling of detachment and argument.
Let's move on to the next. Next one is orange. It's very cheerful. You can use it in kids' room, in your living space and in your drawing room, but avoid to use in your bedroom. It can create more atmosphere for socialization and you'll feel more active. So you can use it. So yeah, choose wisely and move on to the next. So red we can use where the space is small and we spend our time very less, like for very short period. So for that you can go. Red has that power to give you that much of energy to do work energetically. You can use it in your meeting space, you can use it in your activity room. Just remember, red can give you aggression, anger. So yeah, try to avoid too much of red, but you can go with the light. Purple is a very good color. You cannot use it in active space. You cannot use it in a bedroom. There are some shades like lavender. It will give you grey reflection. It can reduce the natural light in your room or any of your space. So try to avoid lavender color. If you have enough light, you have big windows, French windows and all, you can go with it. Always remember, too much of purple can give you mental fatigue. You may feel low and tiredness all the time. Next one is green. Green is a very beautiful color. It's very calming color. You can go with it. Always remember, too much of green can give you confusion and isolation, selfishness, jealousy, depression and laziness. So try to avoid too much of green. So next one is white. Green forever. Like you can use it in any corner of your house. Your space will look more bigger and more spacious. It will give other colors to a background. White is the color everyone loves. White plus cream is very luxurious color. You can definitely go with it. But yes, too much of white can give you loneliness, isolation feeling. Next one is brown. As you can see in my background, you can use it in your entryway. It will give you very warm welcoming. So good choice is when you use it in your entryway. Use it in your accent wall if there is much lighting. Is effect if you use lighter color, it will give you lighter shade, lighter reflection. If you use darker shades, it will give you darker reflection and it will reduce the natural lighting in your any of your space. If you have window, if you have enough natural light, you can use any of your color. It's up to you what you like and what you want to have in your house or in your working space. Move on to the next one is black. Very bad choice because nobody wants to black color on their interior walls. Black you can use with little bit of white. You can make shade. You can use gray. It's better than black. But there are some people who want luxurious one house. They use black. They have much lighting in their houses, so try to avoid it. It's definitely very bad choice. Try to use gray shade. You can use it in any corner of your house. Soothing color is better than black. You have a theme, you have design something, you can use it. Otherwise you cannot use for the complete wall. So it can soak up all the positive energy and vitality. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your family and friends, and obviously leave your feedback in comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe.